Hello YouTube, here's Zakenbricks for today. A quick update from the train station. And right over here, all the parts what I need stands over here. It's all the big mess. And also right over there. But right now, the last floor is now walls. And you see what the difference is between the last time and right now. So, what the plans is for today is that I go get further with this section right over here, and I see that I make some mistakes right over here with one plate, and that is because over here with this pillar is not connected on this layer and that layer. So that is why I disconnected, and that problem goes make it later, and I need another order for this one, because I not order all the parts because for the money, and reason 2 is that comes later. So all the tiles and that kind of stuff comes later. All this, oops, also with this one. And right over here I see another problem. Over here it's not connected, but right over here comes a other solution, some tile plate and connect. So yeah, it looks different right now from over here on this side, and the rest of the parts stays over here. I tiled all this section up, and over here the rest of the parts, those parts is for the floors, so you can't see that, and those parts I used for the train station right now. And this is the solution for now, the result, and all those parts, this part is from lego.com, and this one is from, the most parts are from Brinklink, and you see what I mean with the color. I make some orders, and yeah, they say they're old, they discolored, so you can see right here and over there. But don't worry, it's in the inside from the train station, and you don't see it later, so I don't care about that. Also with this one, those one have the Dutch flag, our flag. But yeah, and if you will see from the front, go from this side, right over here, it looks a lot better right now. And you see the apartment right over here is the big apartment, over there is the little apartment, smaller apartment, and this bedroom over here, and all the balconies and the stripes. Yeah, it's a modern look, so it gives more looks. And only the roof on it, and part 1 is done. So, and I make some orders also with parts while living over there for section 2. So yeah, that was for everything for today. And I hope you like it and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.